Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem when working with p5js and resizing images. The issue at hand is that when loading an image via user input and trying to access its width and height properties immediately, both values return as 1 instead of the actual dimensions. It's a puzzling situation that can hinder your image manipulation efforts. Now let's delve into the solution provided. The key lies in understanding that the loadImage function is asynchronous, meaning that the image data may not be fully loaded when you try to access its properties. To address this, the image manipulation tasks such as resizing and applying filters should be performed within the callback function of loadImage. This ensures that the image data is fully loaded before any operations are executed, preventing issues with accessing incorrect property values. Moving on to the next part of the solution, the script snippet demonstrates how to properly handle the image loading process and subsequent manipulation. By utilizing the loadImage function within the handleFile function and performing the resizing and filtering operations inside the callback, we guarantee that the image properties are accurate and that the applied transformations are visually reflected. This approach ensures a smooth and error-free image processing workflow in your p5js projects. In conclusion, by implementing the suggested changes to your code, you can overcome the challenges related to accessing image properties and applying transformations in p5js. Remember to leverage the asynchronous nature of loadImage and execute image manipulation tasks within its callback for optimal results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.